Hello, welcome back to Better Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, we're gonna do something that's quite simple and easy to do. It's just like one of my 3D type experiment. In this case, we want to be able to just quickly create some kind of writing in the sky and use it's just like a cloud writing, or like a writing usually made using airplane and smoke. And so yeah, let's. It's actually pretty easy to do. I will be using Sverchok Add-On and grease pencil to do this. So quickly, I'll just type my message. Maybe in this case, just like just write blend as usual. So this is gonna be like our writing in the sky. I'm gonna save this real quick, and this is gonna be cloud writing. Cloud write demo 001, and now we have this grease pencil stroke. We can simply go to compositing, go to Sverchok Add-On. We're gonna generate some points using this grease pencil. So control space and just turn this into points. Grab the grease pencil as usual, and we get these points. Increase the number of points, and then we can randomize it. In this case, we don't need to have the edges, so we just need to join all the points into one, and we can randomize it. So it's pretty simple, pretty basics, and we get all these points. We can increase the number of points, and we're gonna use the points to generate some kind of a cloud sphere. So I'm gonna use icosphere and make the subdivision a small number, and we're gonna use matrix in, use this as locations, pipe this into this guy, and just generate a random icosphere. Actually, we can increase it by 1. The radius we can actually randomize simply using random number generator. How many? We have 640 icosphere being generated. So we just make it 620 and then pipe this as a radius. And this is going to be a floating value. And let's see, this is like, maybe make it between 0.2 and 0.5. So we should have something that's going to be our cloud. Here, instead of generating 641 objects, we're going to just combine them using matrix apply. So just pipe this into that guy and the matrix transformations, and as a result, we're going to have a single object that's going to be our cloud. Okay, so this is pretty much done. You can change the grease pencil strokes and it will update itself. We can simply bake this, and we have this single objects, and we are ready to render basically. How to turn this mesh into this? It's pretty simple. We just go to user preferences, go to add-ons, and this is old school add-on that gonna generate volumetric cloud, so it's gonna be pretty realistic. We're gonna render it using Blender render. So simply just create a sunlight. Just imagine this is like a cloud in the sky, and we want to lit this cloud. And for the sky color, we're gonna use blend sky and just pick like a nice sky color, like a Australian sky in a sunny day is pretty much like this, and the sun maybe a little bit, just a little bit yellowish or blue, or let's give it a try. Leave everything at default except for, we don't need ambient occlusion, maybe just environment, turn on environment lighting. And we create a camera, Control A, Control-Alt-0 and then frame our cloud, and hopefully we get a pretty good render. Okay, currently it's we still don't have the cloud yet. I forgot to do something. So select this guy, tap spacebar, and then generate cloud. So this command, this function comes from the cloud generator add-on. Just wait a few seconds. It's gonna generate some kind of like a cloud domain. It's like a particle systems. It's actually like a Blender smoke, if I'm not wrong, and it's gonna generate the shader for us. And if you wait a few seconds, we're gonna have like a volumetric cloud ready to be rendered. Kind of wondering if this is possible if we are using Cycles renderer as well, but I think this only works on Blender render. So let's wait a few seconds. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. The result should be something similar to this guy. So it's pretty realistic, I think. So it's taking a bit longer. Okay, and now pretty much done. I'm gonna save this real quick and quick render. So there you go. We have our cloud writing, and it's actually very easy. If you ever wanna make changes, you simply just redraw the grease pencil strokes and then update it in using Sverchok nodes here, and then you're gonna have a new writing, and you can kind of tweak this writing whatever you like. Okay, the sky color actually probably more like that. That's like very clear Australian sky. Yeah, there you go. It's pretty realistic, and you can do this simply by using Blender. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you have any suggestion or comments, let me know. But that's pretty much if you want to make like cloud writing, this is how you do it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.